So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba enable ang secret chat sa ating Telegram app. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Telegram account or yung ating Telegram app. And then, pagka-open guys, mula dito sa pinakang chat list, pumili lang kayo ng isang conversation na kung saan gusto nyong maglagay ng secret chat. So, halimbawa guys, is mag-open ako ng isang conversation. And then, pagka-open, itatap nyo lang guys yung profile na nandito sa taas. And then, dito guys, itatap nyo lang yung 3 horizontal dots na nandito sa upper right corner. So, tap nyo lang. And then, may lalabas dyan ng mga options. So, dito, piliin nyo lang yung Start Secret Chat. So, tap nyo lang guys. At para naman ma-enable, itatap nyo lang yung start. And then, pagka-start guys, iintayin lang nating mag-online itong person na to. So, once na nag-online yan guys, pwedeng-pwede na kayong mag-start ng conversation dito sa ating secret chat. So, ito guys, kasing secret chat guys, is parang duplicate lang siya or other conversation ng pinakang messages. So, ito kasi guys, secret chats is pwedeng-pwede nyo siyang burahin anytime or pwede naman siyang mabura ng may specific period of time. So, kumbaga guys, duplicate lang siya. So, ayun lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple. Sana nakatulong sa inyo. If you have a question, can you comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.